Most welcome to my physics classes. I am Poonam Verma. I am deriving the equation of the motion. There are three types of the equation. First, S is equal to ut plus half at square. Second, v square minus e square. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. And 3, v is equal to u plus at. We prove that S is equal to ut plus half at square by simple method. S denotes distance or displacement, u initial velocity, a acceleration, meter per second square, it's a unit. We know that v velocity is equal to distance by time. So v is equal to s by t. Distance is denoted by the s and time is denoted by the t. Average velocity. What is the average velocity? If any object start to run from A to B, its initial velocity u and final velocity v. Now average velocity is equal to v plus u by 2. S is equal to average velocity into t. S is equal to v average velocity. Now the value of put the average velocity v plus u by 2 into t. The value of v will put from the acceleration a is equal to v minus u by t. So v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at, plus u by 2 into t. So 2u plus at by 2 into t. S is equal to 2u by 2 plus at by 2 into t. S is equal to ut. U multiply t, ut plus half t, at multiply into t. At square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square will prove by the graphical representation. First of all, we prove v is equal to u plus at by graphical method. If any object A is the object, is moving with initial velocity of u. Initial velocity, it is moving from A to B and initial velocity is u. Point A, this velocity of body change from A to B in time t. At uniform rate, its final velocity is v. After changing the velocity from A to B, acceleration A. From the graph, initial velocity u is equal to OA and final velocity v is equal to BC. According to graph, the BC is equal to BD plus DC. So V is equal to BC is equal to V is equal to BD plus DC. DCU, this is the parallel, DC parallel to OA. So the DC is equal to U. So V is equal to BD plus U. So A is equal to BD by AD. BD by AD. अब A is equal to BD by T. ADT and BD is equal to AT. Multiply A into T, so BD is equal to AT. So AT is equal to BD BC is equal to BD plus DC, BD plus DC. तो V is equal to BC is equal to V, BC is equal to V. तो BC is equal to BD plus DC U, because DC parallel to OA या OU U. तो BD is equal to V minus U. So BD is equal to V minus U. Put the value of BD, V minus U is equal to 80. So V is equal to U plus 80. Now prove. Second equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is equal to area of the trapezium OABC. This is the figure, trapezium. If the find the area of the trapezium, then it is the displacement or distance. So the S is equal to the area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium, value of the area of the trapezium, half into sum of the parallel side into height. So half OA, sum of the parallel side. This is the parallel side. OA parallel to BC. OA plus BC into height. Height OE. OC T. This is the T. OC. The half OA is equal to U plus BC is equal to V into T. So half. Now put the formula V from the acceleration. V is equal to U plus AT. U plus V is equal to U plus AT into T. So now S is equal to half 2U plus AT into T. Multiply 2U into T, 2U T by 2, and multiply T, AT multiplied T and half. So half AT square. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Now we prove V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. We know that S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Like S is equal to area of the trapezium OA BC. S is equal to half sum of the parallel side into height. S is equal to half OA plus BC into OC, half U plus V into T. Same way. Now acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. Value of T, V minus U by A. The value of T put in spite of the T. So half V plus U into the value of T, V minus U by A. Now S is equal to V plus U into V minus U, V square minus U square by A. So S multiplied 2A, 2AS and V square minus U square. So V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Prove that.